Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, it's me, Dwica Bayu from Basic Education Class A, University of Lampung. I'm going to explain about uniform linear motion. First of all, I want to say thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. After watching this video, I hope you better understand about uniform linear motion. So, let's begin. What is a linear motion? The linear motion is the motion in a straight line. There are two types of linear motion. There is uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. So, let's start from introduction of displacement, speed, velocity, and acceleration. What is the distance? Do you know? Yes, the distance is the total length of part. And do you think the distance and displacement is same? You're wrong. But the distance and displacement is different. If distance is the total length of part, the displacement is distance traveled in a specific direction. Remember that? Specific direction. Let me show you the example how distance and the displacement is different. Let's say this point is point A and this is point B, this point C, and then it is point D. Someone needs to travel to point A to point D, and he takes the route from A to B, B to C, and C to D. He takes this route, so it is distinct. Let's say it is 3 meter, it is 2 meter, and it is 4 meter. So the distance is 3 meter plus 2 meter plus 4 meter, and it is 9 meter. And how about displacement? You remember that the displacement is specific direction. So you have to take this way. It is displacement. Let's say it is 6 meter. So the distance is length of part, and then the displacement is specific direction, or you can say the displacement is vector and the distance is color. You can say that. Okay, let's move to speed. Speed is rate of change of distance. So the formula is distance over time. What speed is distance over time. So the unit of speed is meter per second. Meter per second. And then velocity. Velocity is rate of change of displacement. So we can read or the formulas of velocity is displacement or s over time. And then the unit of velocity is same from speed, that is meter per second. And how about acceleration? Acceleration is rate change of velocity. Or for example, when the car is going faster, faster and faster, the car is experiencing acceleration. So the formulas of acceleration is acceleration, you can write A is equal delta V over delta t, or velocity final minus velocity initial over time final minus time initial. That is the formulas of acceleration. And then the units of acceleration is meter per second square. Meter per second square. And then if the velocity final is bigger than velocity initial, that is acceleration, or you can say move faster, faster and faster. So, and then if the velocity final is smaller than velocity initial, that is deceleration, or the move is slower, slower and slower. Okay, let's move to uniform linear motion, the main topic. You can call uniform linear motion if someone travel in a straight line and the velocity is constant. Let me show you how the graphic of uniform linear motion. It is velocity and it's time. So to graphic, I would say that uniform linear motion is if someone travel in straight line and the velocity is constant. So if velocity is constant, the graphic is like this. Velocity not change, constant. Time to time to time, the velocity is constant. And if you want know the displacement of this, the square this is this time of this. And then how about graphic of displacement and the time? Remember that the uniform linear motion velocity is constant. So the graphic is like this. Why? Like this. When you move 1 meter, you take 1 minute to 1 meter. and then so this velocity, and you move to meter, you take 2 minutes. So the graphic of displacement and time is like this. It is velocity. So uniform linear motion can be called if particles travel in a straight line and then the velocity is constant. Okay, that's all. Explain of uniform linear motion. I apologize for the mistake and thank you for your opportunity and support. Thank you and bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.